So this is just going to be a short video to kind of exemplify what a lesson video might look like, and we'll further discuss this in class tomorrow in terms of what a flipped classroom looks like. So one of the things I want to do is I just want to show you one of the features on this calculator. I know it's not one that most of you are probably familiar with, as it's not been the primary one you probably used in middle school. So the first thing I want to do is show you where to turn it on. So if you look right down here, is the on button. Right above that in blue is the word off. So anything that's in blue on the calculator, what that means is you've got to press this second button to execute that particular command. So if you want to turn the calculator off, you have to press the second button and then press the on button, which will make it turn off. Something else, just to demonstrate, if you wanted to do square root of something, square root is right here above the x squared. So you press second x squared, and then that would bring up the square root symbol. So what I want to show you is how to do fractions on this calculator. Also how to do just basic order of operations. So this x squared button is how you raise something to the second power. If you want to do anything else to a power, there is this button right here, and that will change to whatever power you want to bring it to. So if you want to do the third power, use that button and then type whatever you want to, and then you would press 3 for the third power. So how do you do fractions on this particular calculator? Well, the buttons we're going to be using, I'm going to change colors here. We're going to press alpha y equals. And what that does, that brings up this menu here. And this menu represents a couple of different things. The first one here is fractions. Okay, and what that really stands for, N over D, is numerator over denominator. So that is something that you should be familiar with in terms of fractions. The next one is actually a mixed number. This U stands for units. So if you wanted to type units, 10 to the 2/3, that's the button you would use to type a mixed number. The next buttons are conversions. So this one takes a fraction, and then you use this button to convert it to a mixed number. Use this one to take a fraction and convert it to D there stands for decimal. So what we'll do is a little activity tomorrow in another online platform called Delta Math. So if you're not familiar with Delta Math, we'll look at this, and you'll have just a little exercise to do here where you have certain order of operations in this particular case, and it'll bring up this kind of example problem. And what you'll want to do is you'll just want to figure this out, and then you select whichever one of these is correct. So it'll give you practice kind of typing things in on the calculator and that sort of thing. Right here we'll look at how your grade's calculated for this particular activity, and since it is a timed activity, one of the things you have to do is you got to press stop whenever you're finished, otherwise your clock still keeps running, and that affects your score. So we'll look at this tomorrow. I'll also have a question for you tomorrow that will relate directly to the video, and we'll see if you can answer that. If you can answer it correctly, then you will receive some sort of prize tomorrow in class.